Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time again we're going to revisit, well, a technique we did before but not exactly the same. We're going to do a fluid pouring. I'm trying to think about how to call it. We're going to do a fluid pouring, a swipe, and we're going to do a few swipe with different airbrush. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I know that I saw this on YouTube. There's a lot of people doing it. Well, not a lot, but there's a few people that does it. And it's very nice. The twist we're going to put to it is that we're going to use different brush, or should I say different comb, air comb we're going to use, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to use only 4 colors, and we're going to put a lot of Floetrol because, you know, I'm using interior paint, acrylic paint, latex paint, should I say. And I think it has the tendency to crack a little bit more. So we're going to try and put a little bit more Floetrol. I think it's going to reduce the crackling. I hope so, because I think it's going to look great. And I wanted to talk to you just a few seconds. If you can help me on Amazon, because now I'm affiliate on the affiliate program with Amazon, and you're going to see in the description of the video a few links to products. So if you're interested, or even if you're not, if you go through this, the link I give you for any other products, you're gonna you're gonna help me do some little money as it is, but it's not much, but everything helps because, as you know, YouTube doesn't do much. So anyway guys, let's go and try it, and let's come back to the end to talk about it. So guys, I don't know what you think, but listen, I think that I just found, should I say, the technique which I think I love the best, I love the most. I think it's incredible the finish it gives us. It looks a bit like, you know, what it happens in the sand, with the sand and the wind. Well, I think, listen, I cannot think of something wrong with it. Of course, to have to reach some kind of a nice effect like this, you're gonna have to use a lot, but like I said, a lot of paint. But as I did say at the start of the video, I use latex paint. So it's not that expensive. The problem is it's a bit tricky not to do crackling. But of course, if you don't mind having crackling, there's no problem with it. Well, we see what happened. Anyway, you see it because as I'm speaking to you, I just finished it, so I don't see if it's gonna cause some crackling. I think it will. We'll see. But well, as I say, you see. So anyway, it's a very nice technique. I think there's a lot of way we can go about it, and I have so many plans to do this. Of course, we cannot do only one technique, but there's a lot of little thing we can do differently, and it's gonna give a finish completely different. So guys, I hope you like it, and please, like I say, if you have something to buy on Amazon, just go through my link, and whatever product you choose, as long as you go through my link, I'm gonna have a small amount from Amazon, but like I say, everything helps. It's been 2 years that I'm doing this, and I don't even have the time to try and sell some painting, but now it's getting crazy. I have more than 200 painting, and well, I'm getting overboard with it. So guys, thanks for being here, and I hope you're gonna come back. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.